Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 9th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it looked to me like the Dow is continuing to struggle somewhat with this resistance area. You've heard me talk about. We got through that on Friday, and then it pulled back, and it continued to pull back. Today, the Dow closed down 95 points today. You know, that's certainly not a big sell-off, but I just think it's going to have trouble with this resistance area. It needs to come back and go, move through that from a lower point. Now, actually, we are down quite a bit of ways from now, so I'm not going to say that it couldn't slingshot up through that red line resistance area from the point where it is. It could do that, but at this point it's kind of a big question mark. I'm not seeing any obvious hints from the chart right now, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. Anyway, despite that, we managed to make a little bit of money today. We had, I think, about 7 to 9 positions or so coming in today. We ended up closing out positive, drum roll, $6. $6 positive is what we closed out today, but we are carrying positive $3,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. And it was kind of an unusual day because we had both the good and the bad happening. I'll show you the bad first. I get accused of only showing good trades, and I guess I do that because most people don't really like to see a lot of bad trades. But this was the fly in the ointment today for us. This is EMES, that's Emergent Energy Systems. This has been an interesting market. It's like it's either really good or really terrible. And today, unfortunately, it was kind of terrible for us. The EMES had a big pop-up this morning. We got into it here, and it looked for at least an hour like it was pretty solid, and then it really started to coming back and ends up closing, I think, on its low for the day. And we're down $3,000 in Emergent Energy Systems right now. So that's a tough trade to have in the portfolio, and that's really kind of put a damper on our profits, but we still have profits, and the reason we have profits is because of this trade. This is PKD, which is Parker Drilling, and we had bought this on Friday right on the open almost, and it didn't really do a whole lot for the rest of the day on Friday, but this morning it really moved, and it pulled back a little here, and then it moved again really strong on that last bar. I love to see that. Close right at the top of that last bar, and we are holding, believe it or not, over $7,000 in open trade in Parker Drilling. So, I think that qualifies as an outlier trade, and we have it in our portfolio, so very happy with that. And because of this one really good trade, we are showing quite positive figures for today. So wasn't a bad day in spite of the Dow falling 95 points. I'm pretty happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on 2.